Here are 10 Amazon unique smart gadgets and tools to help you save space and are super useful. Anything I talk about here today will be linked in the description box below, and I will also pin it in the comments section. Nothing in this video is sponsored, and no one is paying me to say any of this. There's a QR code on screen now that you can easily scan from your TV or your iPad, which will link you to everything in this video. Let's do it. I got some major goodies for you. Ready to transform your fridge and pantry into a neat, tidy paradise? Meet your new organizational hero, the Instant Organization Bins. These bins are perfect for creating a clean and organized refrigerator, pantry, or freezer. Ideal for yogurts, canned goods, food packets, cheese, meat, drink boxes, baby food, and so much more. Use them side by side to create the storage solution that works best for you and maximize your storage space in the refrigerator, freezer, cabinets, and pantry shelves. Portable and stackable, these bins come with built-in easy grip side handles, making it a breeze to transport from shelf to table or island. Organize all your kitchen essentials and create handy go-to supply baskets. Plus, the raised feet on the bottom of each bin let them stack for space-saving vertical storage. You know I love that. These versatile bins aren't just for the kitchen. They're the perfect depth for lower cabinets, deep pantry shelves, and inside the fridge or freezer. I loved using it for organizing all of the popsicle and sweet treats in my freezer. Use them in craft rooms, laundry rooms, bedrooms, bathrooms, offices, garages, toy rooms, and more. Lightweight and easy to transport, they're great for apartments, condos, dorm rooms, RVs, and campers. Made of durable plastic, these bins are built to last. Cleaning is also a breeze. Just use some mild soap and water. Remember, they're not dishwasher safe, but with such easy maintenance, you'll keep them looking great with minimal effort. Are you ready to make your kitchen even more efficient? Say hello to the ultimate dishwasher pod organizer. This sleek and handy organizer holds 50 plus dishwasher pods with an easy access flip down bin that hangs conveniently on your cabinet doors. It is so stinking cool. No more fumbling around for pods. They're right at your fingertips. Need more storage space? Not a problem. The top tray provides additional storage for small items like sponges and brushes and is removable for easy cleaning. Double the organization, double the convenience. Setup is a breeze. No installation or tools required. Heck to the yes. Simply hang the pod holder and load pods into the wide opening of the bin. It's really that easy. Currently on Amazon, this is just about $34. Definitely worth it in my opinion. This might be my favorite product in the video. I don't know though. There are so many goodies. Meet your new best friend, the Rollout Fridge Caddy. Say goodbye to messy fridges and hello to easy access with this BPA-free, clear, rolling refrigerator organizer bin. It's designed to fit standard refrigerators perfectly. Customize your storage with 2 adjustable dividers, creating compartments that fit your unique needs. Whether it's fruit, veggies, or snacks, everything has its place. And check this out. Soft spinning wheels let you roll items from the back of the fridge to the front for an easy find. No more lost leftovers. Need to carry your caddy around? Not a problem. With sturdy handles, you can easily transport it from fridge to counter without any hassle. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, the Rollout Fridge Caddy offers safe storage that's easy to clean. Keep your fridge organized and your food safe. Perfectly sized to fit standard refrigerators, this extra drawer is your go-to solution for maximizing fridge space and keeping everything within reach. This is not only fantastic for your refrigerator, but you could use this underneath a kitchen sink, a bathroom sink, or even in a pantry or craft room. It comes in a variety of different sizes, and currently on Amazon, this is just about $19. Meet the plastic bag holder, your new best friend for keeping those grocery bags tidy and ready to reuse. Simply push your bags into the extra wide opening at the top to store. It's the perfect size for any kitchen. And in my case, I put it in a closet nearby my kitchen, which worked out even better. Hang it practically anywhere. Mount this wall mount plastic bag organizer wherever you need it, on the wall, door, or even under a shelf. This versatile dispenser is perfect for your pantry, cabinet door, garage, or utility closet. Hang it near a trash can for easy access to trash bags as well. This sleek wall mount grocery bag dispenser is smudge and fingerprint resistant, enhancing your kitchen's vibe. Choose from elegant colors such as stainless steel, black, white, or blue. I chose white because it blended seamlessly in with my existing cabinet. Ready to make your couch time even more convenient? Meet the Silicone Cup Holder for your couch. Convenience at your couch has never been easier. If you spend a lot of time in your couch, you know the struggle of keeping drinks, your phone, and the remote in one place. This compact armrest cup holder is perfect for home, office, or even on the go in your car. It's a must-have for every couch lover. Sturdy anti-slip and anti-spill. Made from premium, high-quality silicone, this couch tray with cup holder is fitted with 4 metal pipes at the bottom that clasp onto your furniture's armrest, staying fixed with little to no movement. Unlike flimsy plastic holders, this cup holder offers stability and durability that lasts, holding drinks and snacks on the couch. This sofa cup holder tray is the perfect gift for family and friends. Currently on Amazon for a limited time, this is 22% off, and it comes in a variety of different colors. And you can see I have a rather large armrest in my living room, and it fit perfectly on there as well. This is one of those items that I say to myself, why did I not have one of these sooner? Meet the ultimate solution to conquering battery clutter, the hard battery organizer storage box. Say goodbye to messy drawers and scattered batteries. With this hard battery organizer, you can store and organize up to 148 batteries of various sizes, all in one compact, easy to carry case. This case isn't just about storage, it's about protection too. Made from high quality material, it's lightweight, sturdy, waterproof, and shockproof. Your batteries stay safe and secure wherever you go. Organize your batteries neatly with pre-cut foam slots that hold each battery snugly in place, preventing contact between ends. No more fumbling around, find the battery you need quickly and easily. Okay, here's one of the best parts about this. It includes a battery tester. This is going to help you ensure your batteries are always ready to go with this handy tool. Before this tool, I used to have to find something to put the battery in to see if it actually works, such as a remote control. I have just saved myself 5 extra minutes. It's a great way to stay organized and efficient. I love that. And currently on Amazon, this is just about $26. Worth it, in my opinion. And it comes in a variety of different sizes. Are you struggling with limited space but still need a reliable laundry solution? Introducing the Slim Rolling Laundry Hamper, your perfect fit for those tight spots. Say hello to convenience with this slim and portable laundry hamper. It's designed to fit those narrow spaces between your washer and dryer or any small cabinet and area. Need to move your laundry around? Not a problem. This narrow laundry basket comes with wheels for easy transport, plus a handy side handle for easy lifting. It's tall enough to store weeks worth of dirty clothes, making laundry day a breeze. This slim rolling laundry hamper is your versatile solution to laundry organization. Keep your space clean, organized, and stylish with ease. Right now on Amazon, this is on sale for a limited time. It is the lowest price seen in 30 days. It's just about $14. I love this so much. I actually bought 2 of them to use in my laundry room. It comes in a variety of different colors: black, gray, and navy blue. I have one of the most functional items for you and my friend. It is just about $6. Meet your new best friend, the pop-up laundry hamper. Perfect for home or travel, this pop-up laundry hamper is your go-to for organizing dirty clothes, storing toys, or packing it flat for those on-the-go adventures. And it's not just a laundry hamper, it's a multi-purpose marvel. This hamper is built to last through all your laundry battles. Carrying your laundry has never been easier. With 2 durable handles, you can effortlessly transport this pop-up hamper to the laundry room or wherever you need to go. Convenience and comfort in one stylish package. So whether you're at home, on vacation, or just need a quick storage solution, the pop-up laundry hamper is here to make your life easier and more organized. It's the perfect blend of practicality and durability. Introducing the softest, most luxurious toilet paper you've ever tried. Better Way Bamboo Toilet Paper. This bamboo TP is so soft. 96% of people in a blind test chose it as their #1 favorite. And check this, they even have a 100-day risk-free guarantee where you can experience the ultimate comfort with 0 worries. Have you ever tried a toilet paper that actually came with a risk-free guarantee? Mind-blowing. Need more reason to switch? How about 57% more square feet per roll. That's almost twice as long as other leading brands, with 360 sheets per roll. Say goodbye to constantly running out of TP and the hassle of frequent roll changes. There are two sides to this, one smooth for extra comfort and one textured for the cleanest wipe. Find your perfect side. Worried about irritation or sensitivity? This bamboo TP is unscented and dye-free. Perfect for those with sensitive skin. Made with 100% all-natural, non-GMO bamboo. It's gentle on your skin and the environment. And right now on Amazon, there is a limited time deal of 5% off. I dare you to give this toilet paper a whirl. I would love to hear your thoughts. Looking for the perfect way to serve up your delicious snacks and treats? Look no further. These vibrant and versatile food baskets are your go-to for any fun gathering or easy cleanup. Add a splash of color and excitement to your party spreads with these eye-catching trays. Each pack contains 6 sturdy plastic food trays in a rainbow of bright colors, perfect for making your food presentation pop. Whether it's a kid birthday party, summer barbecue, picnic, Cuban, or Mexican theme party, or even as cinema snack trays, these plastic food baskets are versatile enough for any occasion. Sturdy, durable, and reusable, these food trays are built to last. Simply wash them after use and they're ready for your next event. Easy to use and fun for everyone. Now the liners do not come with them, so I'm going to link them below in the description box and comments box below. But the liners themselves are on sale for a limited time right now on Amazon. 30% off. You get 240 sheets. And can you guess the price point on this 6-pack of baskets? Just about $10. My favorite part about this is 1, it's super cute, and 2, cleanup is so stinking easy. No longer will you have to spend countless hours in your kitchen wasting water, washing dishes, and everyone in your family will love these too. Just a fun way to spice up your meals. Are we friends on Instagram? If not, make sure you follow me at Andrea Jean Cleaning, where I share the best of the best and the first of the first. Also make sure that you sign up for that free newsletter in the description box below, and you will never miss a thing. Click the video on screen now to keep the fun going. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.